Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and my Pixel Watch finally showed up. So I thought I'd unbox it and set it up and let you guys see what that looks like.
Let's do this!
So we know it comes with Fitbit integration, but we'll talk about that later. Let's get it opened up. So here's our first good look at it with that silicone active band. We'll talk more about that later. And it does come with another band that you can attach to the watch. And finally, our power cable with our proprietary puck. And the only other thing in the box is the paperwork that nobody ever looks at. So before moving on, I should probably take off the one I'm wearing. Just so used to having a watch, I forget I have it on. So in the next few weeks, we'll be comparing it to the Apple Watch SE and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So let's see how much power we've got and if we can get this thing set up. So just above the crown, we've got a button that's very hard to press sometimes. You'll see that later, and then you can see the crown. So our watch is booting up and it's looking for a phone. So let's bring in my Pixel 6 Pro. And right away it prompted me to install the Pixel Watch app, which we'll do right now. So I want to try to let you guys see all the steps that it goes through as it sets up. Asking for permissions to send notifications, absolutely. Now connecting to my watch. And looking for my Google account, which I will sign into right now. And now it wants me to put it on. Guess I'll do that. I like the little animation, film, whatever, showing you how to put it on. I'm easily pleased though. And this silicone band is the same type of material that I ordered from a separate vendor for my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, just because I find it more comfortable. This one feels like it's probably going to be a little more comfortable. So now it's telling me to set it up. Guess I wear it on my left. Learn how to switch bands, we'll check that later. And get the Fitbit mobile app, which I'm installing. I haven't used Fitbit in over 4 years, but it knew who I was right away. I'll show you that at the end. So I just want you guys to see all the steps it's taken me through. It seems like a very easy, smooth setup process, I have to say. And now I can pay with the watch. And the watch is restarting. And now it's gonna take me through how to use the buttons on the watch. Now here's where it wants me to press the button above the crown, which barely protrudes out, so it's kind of hard to press. Guess it'll take getting used to. And of course you can scroll using the crown or using the screen. Now you can see my notifications are coming through and it's telling me about the weather for tomorrow. So now I'll use the app to go through some of the watch faces. You can also do this on the watch. I just find it easier in the app. So we'll see which one I want to go with. And as I mentioned earlier, I hadn't signed into the Fitbit app in about 4 years, so I was surprised at how it picked everything up for me right away. I guess I shouldn't have been, just impressed me a little bit. But Google Smart Lock still knew who I was. Pretty cool. So that's my quick unboxing and setup of the Google Pixel watch. I'll be using this watch in conjunction with the Apple Watch SE and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So I'll be alternating days with all three of them. And I haven't really learned how to use the fitness apps yet, but I guess I'll be using Fitbit, and hopefully I can use Google Fit to get some of the reporting at the end of the day that I like to send out to you guys. So we'll see how I do. As always, comments and welcome. Thanks for watching. And by the way, we all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.